Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my hair wavy and crimp. I absolutely love doing this to my hair as it requires no heat. So I figured I would do this video for you guys and show you how I do it. So if you would like to see how I do my hair like this, then please keep watching. When I want my hair to be wavy, I like to wash my hair, so once I get out the shower, I like to towel dry my hair until it's about 70 to 80% dry. I don't usually use hair products, I need to invest in some. But if you would like to use hair oil to make the curls less frizzy, go ahead and use it now. Now I'm going to part my hair down the middle and do 2 French braids. I've been able to do these for a while now and I like the way they come out. Sometimes they don't come out perfect, but that's probably because I don't use hair oils. Also, if you don't know how to do the French braids, you can always just do regular ones. For me, I like to start high up on my head. So if you want the same, try and start the braid higher. If you have thick hair, I would suggest sectioning the hair into 3 or 4. I personally like to do 2 sections. This is what they look like when they're done. Hi guys, it's the next day as you can see. The longer you keep the braids in, more better the waves will come out, and I also find that they last longer. I personally like to keep my braids in as long as possible and to make sure they're dry before taking them out, because if they're damp, the waves will just completely fall out. Especially if you have long hair like me. If my hair is not completely dry though, I will take the blow dryer to my hair and run it through the braid. They really do work the best if you let it completely dry, because sometimes the hair dryer can make the hair go frizzy. Now I'm going to show you how I take my braids out. You can literally take them out any type of way, but I like to make sure I'm not pulling on my hair. Be careful grabbing each hair as you want to unwind carefully, and you don't want to brush through your hair. You just want to unwind it like so. When I get to the top, I just do the same thing. I find this quite a big thing because hair can go frizzy really fast. So that's this side done. Now we'll do the other side. When it do get stuck like this, guys, you can carefully just pull it through like this instead of brushing it, because then it'll just make it all go frizzy. Now that the hair is like this, I won't really touch it as much as it can fall out easy, but you can do whatever you want to your hair. You can also go in with some hair oil to contain the frizziness and give it more shine. And also, if your hair haven't curled tidy, you can always go back in with a curling iron to touch up some pieces. Once you like the way your hair looks, you can take some setting spray to make the hair last longer. I take the setting spray about this far away and then spray it on like so. And that's how I do my heatless curls, so easy and quick. So here you go, that's all I do. And this is the final product. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was really helpful to you, and I will see you in the next one. And if you have any ideas of what videos you want to see from me, then please let me know in the comments down below. Bye!